subscribe to the channel, and hit the like button every single note. And next time, have you ever seen Seth Rollins on Monday Night Raw and thought, wow, where does he even get his clothes? Seth Rollins is known for his daring fashion choices, but his latest coat might just take the cake at a custom-made golden peacock long coat by Rasta, priced at a whopping $13,500. Well, and it's not just any jacket. It takes 2 months to create basic. Fans are gasping at the price tag. The coat seen in the latest Netflix episode of Monday Night Raw pairs beautifully with Rollins' formal attire. It's a stark contrast to the in-ring action, making one wonder if he ever plans to wrestle in it. Given WWE likely footed the bill, it's less surprising, but still, it's a hefty investment. Rollins' fashion choices raise questions about his leadership aspirations. Is he trying to earn respect through his style, or is he just following orders from Paul Heyman and Braun Breaker? His unique style will undoubtedly be a part of his legacy, but can he earn respect without a title? The recent episode didn't answer many questions, leaving us to speculate about his future in WWE. Could this be another step in elevating the Steiner name? Only time will tell as we tune into Monday Night Raw. And speaking of speculation, maybe Rollins should stick to fashion and leave the wrestling to the pros. After all, who wants to risk a torn sleeve for a pinfall? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, let's not